Should we count?
We need to count.
The only odd way. Okay, let's do it one more time. Gentlemen. 1, 2, 3. Nice try. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. My neck. 1, 2, set up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to count you again. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. My neck it is. All right.
Yeah.
And they say that democracy is in the toilet.